Hey guys, so in a minute, if my camera worked this morning, well last night and this morning, you should be able to see clips of my car not working. If it didn't work, then you won't and you'll just hear me talking to myself. But basically the battery didn't work this morning, so it's been at the garage because it didn't work last night. But yeah, so I'll send you into the video. Hey! Yes! Now I'm just going to try not to stall it to get it up this hill. Hey, we have movement! Oh, he's working! He's got to go to the garage tomorrow. But he's working. We'll go in the garage tomorrow to get him sorted out. One of a few things. We'll see.
I changed my phone.
Change his phone?
I changed my phone.
Hey guys, so he's fixed. Come on. He's working. Most people don't wear there. He's fixed. I've just this second come from home where the battery man has come and replace my battery. He said that they usually replace them and they usually fail. Batteries in general usually fail at around 30% capacity, and my battery was at minus 55%, so he has no idea how it was still running. So I'm just very lucky that he actually managed to get me to Liverpool and back. So hopefully that's fixed the issue of the whole not starting this yesterday morning, and hopefully it works now. So we're just going to take him for a little drive. He's never ever started up so quickly ever. Since I've owned him, he's never indicate. Since I've owned him, he's never ever started that quickly. It was just so weird. So I'm hoping that that is the only thing that it was, because it wasn't the EGR valve. I went to the garage this morning and he basically charged it up a little, and he said that after having lights on for 10 minutes, like, it was just completely dead, and then he had to jump start it to get it going again so that I could drive home. So on the way home I drove to my uncle's and had a nice little chat with him, and he ended up ringing his mate who does batteries, and I got told, oh, it'll be this evening, as in tonight at about 6:30, after he's finished all the other jobs he does, because it'd be mates rates rather than like full price, so he's not going to be in a rush to do it. And he showed up at about 3:30, valve and the pipe weren't linked to the valve, that would have been an expensive fix. Because I know that's not really fully working, because he's just patched that up. He patched that up the day after I bought the car. It had an engine warning light on, so yeah. So that's fixed, battery's fixed, and he's running really, really well. So I'm hoping it was just that. So I've got to drive to Liverpool Tuesday, which is tomorrow, but whenever you're watching this I have no idea. So I've got to drive to Liverpool on Tuesday, and the plan was to come back Wednesday night to then obviously go to the airport. Ooh, I'm sorry, Kat. To come back Wednesday night to go to the airport Thursday morning. However, I don't know if I'm just gonna go Tuesday and come back Tuesday, because it's just, I'd only be in for an hour on Wednesday, and I don't know. It's a long way to go just for like an hour. It's like, do I really want to waste like a quarter of a tank of petrol to get there for an hour and back? Not really.